been told that you're moving. Even though I still feel the echoes, I'm fucked up and I can't love myself now. I live like I always lies, that I'm not enough, though you're not enough. Just want to shout it out. Got what you did still covers me back. Oh, you just got me like that. I feel so I made this for you now. You don't look back. It's got me like I feel so that's what you did.
I've been treading water for some time, picking up the parts of all my life. Didn't get to solve it this time. I won't hide to break apart. Don't tell me why we can't collide. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Don't you feel? Don't you feel it? On the break of dawn, I'll follow you to carry on. On the break of dawn,
One mistake is all that it takes to break up the trust that we made. I'm open to changing my ways this time, this time. Oh, why do I fall for it every time? I'd do anything to keep you mine. So just call my name, tell me you're never leaving, won't you stay? And I'll play your games as long as the fire doesn't fade away. Yeah, just call my name. Yeah, just call my name. Yeah, just call my name. Can't forgiveness mend what we've torn? A chance to rebuild what was worn. With honesty guiding my stride this time. Now just call my name, tell me you're never leaving, won't you stay? And I'll play your games as long as the fire doesn't fade away. Yeah, just call my name. 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 Yeah, just call my name.